Today is Thursday, April the 4th. The McClellan indicator, McClellan oscillator, not including today, didn't move between Wednesday and Tuesday. We are thinking we're going to run into some chatter just on either side of the zero line. Today's advances to decliners were 56% to 40%. So good day for advancing stocks. Let's take a look at the mini futures. I'm going to pull up a picture of it here. And this was the advancers in the New York Stock Exchange, about 2.7 to 1, and in the NASDAQ about 1.2 to 1. So not a bad day, both in the green. Saw this rise in the afternoon over the Globex high, immediately followed by a huge drop down to the Globex low, and then up again to the Globex high. So overall, a slight increase over yesterday, but not a big moving day. So let's just look at the weekly charts here. The S&P 500 candle above the cloud. The Chiku span is just bang on. If you look at the top of where we finished today, we're right there. We're right. The Chiku span is hitting the bottom of that candle. Apple still has room to run. Resistance is going to be up here, which coincides with somewhere above the cloud. So we've got an opportunity to run with Apple. Gold, the Chiku span is right here on a weekly basis, which is just at the cloud after having been rejected 2 weeks ago and having been rejected here. So we've got a flat cloud, yes, but we're watching the Chiku span struggle to break through. Let's go to Caterpillar, but let's look at it on a one-day basis and expand that, because what's significant today is that we came within 6 cents of closing this gap right here. Let's just highlight the gap. So the gap occurred back here, February the 25th, when the price dropped from the close here to the open and then the close there. So that's the gap. And we struggled to fill that in the following days following the gap. We bounced off the bottom of the cloud and we came up, and we spent 4 days this week in the gap. And today we came within 6 cents of it and backed off, which is normal reaction. And that's what we've been saying for some time was likely to happen, that there would be sellers at the top of the gap. Looking at Intel on a weekly basis, up and away, 57.03, the previous high, still looks attainable. And WDC, let's look at that one on a daily basis. That one is getting Chiku span support right on the candle. And that's the one that we've been watching for some time now. As we came out above between these two candles, we came down and we got support on this candle. Now we're getting support on this candle. Tomorrow we could drop, but still see support at 50.55. Today was a doji day, meaning the buyers and sellers were just left the price undecided. So thank you.